been looking for a pair of joggers? Have you been scrolling the internet for countless hours trying to figure out what the best pair of joggers is for you? Well, today I'm gonna solve that mystery and we're gonna have a comprehensive guide of exactly what pair of joggers you need. Well, today for only $9.99.99 you can figure that out. And of course, stay tuned because just after this commercial, we'll get straight to it. This is a very heavy package. It actually weighs over 3 kilos according to the label on the package. Now, we're not going to go through all of this today. This is going to be a two-part series in essentially the best joggers, not just value, but fit, style, looks. We're going to get into all of it. So what am I looking for in a pair of joggers? Well, I'm looking for affordability, right? I mean, oftentimes joggers are just going to be the easy option when it comes to attire. You know, the daily run to the shop, the walking around the house, you just slap them on and you keep it moving. Now, of course, there's heaps of different brands and different tiers. Like you can go extremely expensive, you can go medium, and you can kind of go for the more affordable range. So today we're going to be focusing on specifically Nike joggers because I believe they hit a lot of really solid points like affordability, pretty good quality, and they have pretty good style. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing, checking out the quality, the price point, and how good they look when you're actually wearing them and matching them with your favorite sneakers. But first, we gotta unbox this huge package, so let's do that. I chose these joggers based on popularity. These are some of the most popular joggers. The price point is fairly reasonable. It seems like it's going to be a pretty medium price point that I think a lot of us can afford. And of course, style. I think some of these look really good. Now, of course, the main determining factor is when I actually get them on and we try them out, but that's something that you can figure out when I have them on and you can see if you like them for you personally. So I'm going to pull out the ones for today, and that is for the next video. Right, so we got 4 different pairs of Nike joggers, all slightly vary with price, I assume quality, fit, and general style. We do have one Jordan one, which we will get into. All right, so we'll start off with, I think, one of the cheapest ones. This one was £39 here in the UK. This is kind of like, I guess, the entry point to Nike joggers. So I got a navy or midnight navy, I believe it's called. All of these are going to be the exact same size, and this one is called the Club Sweatpant. So you can see it's got cuffs at the ankle. Generally speaking, I mean, hey, it's really not the worst. It's definitely obviously not the best in quality. You're only paying $40 for this, but is this worth the $40, and how good do they look when you're actually wearing them? It's a decent pair. I'm not too mad for $40. We will get into trying that on, but let's get into the next one. Right, so we've got a gray pair. This is slightly more expensive. Well, it's actually double the cost of the Club Sweatpants. This is the Tech Fleece jogger. Yeah, you can immediately feel it's not necessarily thicker, it just feels like a little bit of a better material. All over gray, you have a huge zip on the side. Really, really big. You can definitely store a decent amount of stuff in there. For sure, your phone, etc. And then obviously you have the normal pockets, which I feel is sufficient. I don't know if you would necessarily need this much carrying space on your joggers. The materials feel really good. Just keep in mind, this is £80 as opposed to the $40 that you're spending on the Club Sweatpant. All right, the next one. This one is actually a little bit more of a recent release, I guess. This is from Jordan brand, so I guess it's still technically Nike. Still gonna be very similar. However, this is, I think they released these alongside from the Jordan 1 Zoom CMFT Comfort, I think. The purple one at the top that I took an L on, and I think a lot of us did. But either way, this is kind of from that range, the PSG, Paris Saint-Germain. That's why you have the Paris logo just over there. Now, essentially what I believe this is just kind of like, this is going to be a Jordan base jogger. So if you're shopping around for Jordan joggers, there's nothing special about this one. I feel like it is just the branding that you're getting on this. So I wanted to get this one just as a reference point. I kind of liked the colors on it. You know, it's pretty cool. You've got some pink and purple there. And then these two logos that you get, so specifically this one, which is the PSG logo, this is a crazy holographic look to it. I don't really know what color it's showing up on camera, but in person it's kind of like a mixture. It can be silver, gold, purple, blue. It changes with the different light that's shining on it. And the same thing for this one, which is on the back. Pretty damn cool, looks really good in different scenarios. I think it looks really, really cool. Now, the cool thing about this one is it is elasticated by the cuff. So I think that's a really cool look. You can wear this with no-show socks, with long socks where you have your socks showing at the bottom. There's just a huge range of different shoes that you can wear this kind of cuff style with, which is why I like it. But yeah, we'll get into trying that one on as well. Overall, pretty decent. All right, and last one, we've got another Nike pair of joggers, very similar to the club one. Okay, these cost 40 bucks as well. Is this not the same? This might be the same as the club fleece. I don't know. Either way, yeah, I think this is the same actually. You've got the Nike embroidery just over there below the pocket. It's all over black. Yeah, it's exactly what you thought, but I'm gonna try these on. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try all of these on and then we'll reconvene back here with my final verdict. All right, we are back and these have all been tried and tested. I've worn them around. And I gotta say, I have a lot of positive stuff to say about all of them. I'd say my favorite kind of look, surprisingly, has gotta be these PSG ones. The PSG Jordan joggers, these are really, really nice. The real thing I like about this is that it's a really nice look to your pair of joggers. Like, it's not too baggy and it's definitely not too tight. Also, this cuff is spot on. It is perfect. Again, not too tight and not too baggy. So you get that option of being able to pull the cuff up to where you can have your socks showing, which again is a look sometimes I like to have. I feel like this is gonna pair up really nicely with a pair of Jordans, Air Force Ones. I think that is bang on. Now, keep in mind this one is 70, so again, still in the reasonable price range, I think for sure, with the fit, the quality. I think it's a dope pair of joggers. Now, the best value one for sure is this club sweatpant. This one, I guess, is the same as that navy blue one. For 40 bucks, you are getting a really, really comfortable pair of joggers. It looks good. You don't have the variability with the cuffs, so these are on the looser side. So pulling them up, they're more likely just to drop down as you're walking. I think this is an awesome, awesome option. Probably, I'd say best value, especially when you keep in mind that you can buy two of these, so you can get two different colors, like maybe a black and a gray, or this combo, the black and the navy, for the price of one of the tech fleece. And that brings us to the tech fleece, also another one that I really do like. Now, I do have to say that it is a little bit of a tighter fit. So it's gonna have that kind of skinnier look to it, which again is something that you may like. And definitely out of the four of these, if you prefer the skinnier look, these are the ones to go with. They're particularly tight around the cuffs, and that can look good. You can definitely make that work with your style. However, it is just something to note. It's definitely the tightest out of all three of these. Materials and qualities are definitely awesome. And for sure, with the amount of pockets you're getting on this, you know, if you're trying to lug around a couple phones, this is probably the one to do it with. All of these joggers look good as well. It's not like you're walking out of the house looking like a hobo. They do look decent, and they definitely pair up with a lot of awesome pairs of shoes. So again, you know the price points, you know the fit. Don't forget, there is going to be a part 2 of this video where we get into the Adidas joggers, which is also going to be fun. So make sure you subscribe, you tune in for that video. Drop a like on this if you appreciate it. We can always get into more different clothing styles. Let me know if there's anything to do with clothing that you would personally like to see, and I'll try and get it done over here on the channel. But hey, thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.